Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures set as a navigation type, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just like I have, simply tap on this button with the square icon. Just tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the recents. All we have to do is to tap on Clear All, and we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check, and as you can see, we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.